Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the newest crop in Grow a Garden. I've actually just found out about it today. It's called the Zebrazinkle Seed. So it's not in stock. It's a Transcendent crop and it costs 21 billion shekels. It's not limited, so don't worry. Although you have like a 0.1% chance of it being in stock, so that's good. No, it's not good. I'm being sarcastic. But anyways, I did put myself up in the stock notifier so that I'll be notified once it's here. Its price floor value is at 234,000 shekels and its average is at 260,000 shekels. So this is what the seed looks like and this is what the crop will look like later. The plant. It is classified as a stocky safari type crop, meaning it will be affected by the stalk, sprout, sprinkler, and oxpecker. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. Unfortunately, yeah, I haven't gotten it yet since I've only seen it today. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.